show you how I do my self-care. Usually broken up bit by bit each day. Do you want to see my room? I just did the laundry. Heated blankets are the best. I put that under and then I'll put another blanket. Whoa! Well, that was not very far. Show my empty pens. Ta-da! Another thing I like to do, I turn in anything 3 days before my deadline. It just helps with like anxiety, because if I do it on the day of, I feel this huge rush to try to finish it. I'm gonna write some papers right now. I have no idea if I'm getting into this or not. It's like, I can't tell. This is leftover banh mi I had for lunch. Oh, I already took a bite. Doesn't it look like a heart? Let's see. I love banh mi. Let's go on a walk after this. This is the chicken one. Thanks for the food. I just spilled my water. Anyway, I wear whatever outfit I've been wearing the days. This is actually my pajama top. Okay, let's go. I just got back from my walk. Wow, it's my favorite part of the day. I feel like eating something sweet. I'm gonna show you what I have. Ignore the clover, but look at these grapes. These are actually... I'm gonna make a cake for my friend. There's too many grapes, and these grapes are too good to not snack on. Usually Publix fruits are really good. I've been rewatching Strong Woman Dobong Soon. It was my favorite drama a long time ago. Speaking of self-care. tomato. Big grape. So good. And they're huge! You want a grape? I'll watch for a little while. We'll do some skincare. I wish I had more. Oh my gosh, my watch is still on. A little bit. I don't think that does anything. This is the usual skincare I wear after my shower for my nighttime routine. My skin is so dry and flaky. I just really like this one. Oh, the problem is I can't see my face. How does it look? I'm gonna do a bit of journaling while my mask does its work. I have a journaling video on my other channel. That channel is gonna be like more like my grandma activities. If anything, this is probably one of the biggest parts of my self-care. Taking care of your body, making sure you eat healthy meals, take breaks when you need to. To me, it's like if you're tired, you should just take a break. Even if it's really small, just like a deep breath or something. If you keep on pushing yourself, it's gonna eventually get to the point where you just can't go on. So yeah, I'm just gonna write a little bit. I'm gonna go on a hike. Goodbye.
Just look on Amazon.
Hello, I hope you liked the video. These are some of the ways I like to do self-care. It really depends on like what feels best for you. I do think it's more of like how you build up that relationship with yourself. And for me, it's really fun to do. It just makes me feel really happy. That's why I love doing it. I love doing self-care. I'm gonna go on a walk. I hope you have a good week. I'll see you later. Bye. I'll risk it. Oh. It's an odd angle. So cute!